Welcome. Today we will take a closer look to 8 different web browsers. This is a basic introduction with some more information to help you choose the best browser for you. Let's get right into it. What is a web browser? A browser is a software application used to locate, retrieve, and display content on the World Wide Web, including web pages, videos, and other files. How does this work? Let's try to make the answer to this simple. The browser we run on a computer or mobile device contacts the web server and requests information. The web server sends the information to the browser, which will display the result of the web page on our device. What is an operating system? An operating system is a powerful, and usually large program that controls and manages the hardware and software that are running on a computer system. All computers and computer-like devices require operating system like your laptop, tablet, desktop, smartphone, smartwatch, and even your internet router. Operating systems are mainly built and designed to be consumer-friendly and easy to use, like Windows, Ubuntu, or Mac. As an example for a less consumer-friendly based operating system, many would refer to Linux. Let's talk about browsers on different operating systems. We will compare Windows 10 with Mac operating system since these are the most used operating systems. You can see a comparison on a scale of 0 to 10 comparing browsers on Windows 10 system versus Mac. Notice that Internet Explorer and Edge don't work on Mac operating system, while Safari will not work on Windows. Let's take a look at the general browser desktop market share from January 2015 to March 2020. The graph on market shares from web browsers shows us the big dominance by the Chrome web browser. Are you part of this huge group of Chrome users? Let's compare the browser market share of May 2020 with the search engine market share. Google has 78.77% of the search engine market share in May 2020. We can see the Google search engine dominance looks to translate really well to the amount of Chrome users. Time to ask ourselves what makes a browser good. This will heavily depend on what you need and what you are looking for. A good browser should make tasks quicker and more efficient. You should be able to personalize your browser and use it like a tool. Most users look for an easy-to-use, good-looking and fast browser, while other users might find their privacy and security from personal data more important when choosing a browser. Let's take a closer look to these 8 browsers. Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge, Safari, Vivaldi, Brave, Tor. Why Chrome? Google Chrome is the most popular browser, as we have seen from the previous data we looked at. It has a good-looking design and is fast. You have loads of extensions which can be used to block ads, take notes, capture your screen, save passwords, receive messages, and more. Chrome is really easy to sync across different devices. Why not Chrome? Resource hungry for RAM memory. Google has definitely been taking the evil path in recent years, and we have no idea where your data will end up. Firefox is comparably fast to Chrome. It has a nice user interface and extensions without having a feature set as big as other browsers. The browser is more privacy-based compared to Chrome. It has a anti-tracker option and more. The mobile app is really great and well customized for hardware and recently updated. Managing browser profile across different devices isn't as easy as with Chrome. Firefox is owned by Google. Opera browser. The differences appear when look at Opera's built-in features. Where Chrome depends on an extension ecosystem, Opera has a few more features built into the browser. You don't need to sign up for an Evernote account to save something you want to read later. Opera also saves most visited pages on a speed dial page. They have an unlimited built-in VPN service, making it a more secure option. Opera supports Web3 and offers a crypto wallet. Edge rewrote and launched as open-source Chromium, so it feels like Chrome. Since this release, the performance has been optimized and it's pretty fast. Edge is the default browser for Windows 10 and becomes pre-installed. Privacy settings are now divided in 3 levels: basic, advanced and strict. Permissions are equally easy to manage, as Edge provides a list of all permissions and how they're accessed by websites. You can now use Chrome extensions and import bookmarks from Chrome. Safari. If you use Mac, Safari becomes pre-installed on your device and is your default choice. Safari is easy to sync between devices and works good in the Apple ecosystem. It has a nice and clean layout and is easy to use and pretty fast. They focus a great deal on security and privacy with options for private browsing. Vivaldi. Vivaldi browser is truly unique. No two Vivaldi users will have the same setup. It's made to give an unique user experience. You choose where your tabs and address bar go. And whatever you want browser tabs to be shown at the top of the page or in a side panel. This browser was made to be customized by users and delivers a unique experience. It also has some standout privacy-enhancing features like its collaboration with DuckDuckGo, to make the non-tracking the default mode when browsing. Brave. The most unusual browser around. Brave blocks all ads on all web pages by default, which makes it arguably the fastest browser. It loads major news sites up to 6 times faster than Chrome, Safari, and Firefox on mobile and desktop. As a user, access to your web activity and data is sold to the highest bidder. Internet giants grow rich, while publishers go out of business. The vast bulk of websites and ads include software that tries to identify you. They want to track every move across the web. Brave blocks all this, allowing you to browse freely. By default, Brave blocks privacy-invading web ads and trackers that are embedded in page content. But you can sign up to the Brave Rewards. Joining Brave Rewards and viewing Brave ads does not affect your current blocking settings for each website you visit. The ads you see as part of Brave Rewards are shown separately from your browsing experience and are not the same as the invasive ads. Brave Rewards locally picks which private ads to show you based on your browsing activity. Then, Brave uses an anonymous accounting process to confirm ad event activity, keep personal details private, and ensure people earn rewards for their attention. Tor. Tor browser is a version of Firefox. Tor is an internet networking protocol designed to anonymize. Tor browser will block browser plugins such as Flash, Real Player, QuickTime, and others. They can be manipulated into revealing your IP address. When you run Tor, online data collectors such as Google Ads and Axiom won't be able to perform traffic analysis. Tor browser is also illegal in authoritarian regimes that want to prevent citizens from reading, publishing, and communicating anonymously. Journalists around the world have embraced Tor as a cornerstone of democracy online today, and researchers are hard at work improving Tor's anonymity properties. While it's true that some criminals use Tor to commit crimes, criminals also use the regular internet to commit crimes. After taking a closer look to these 8 browsers, How many do you recognize now? I hope this was helpful and helped you discovering or trying a new web browser. Let me know in the comments what browser you are using and why. See you next time.